Okay, replace text. In this tutorial, I want to explain how to replace text. First, select the greeting you want. Let's say we select the greeting 01. As you can see, the text is appear here in the last scene from this greeting file. Now go to replace text here folder and open the replace text here composition you want. Let's start with this one. Like this one, Merry Christmas. We can just type like a new text. So let's make it capital or so. Okay, new text. You can change the font size and everything else from here. Okay, you can change the font size, also the font type, everything. Now if we go again to the main composition, we will find like the text is already changed. You can just repeat these steps for all other composition. Let's say here new. Okay, as an example, also this one. It's same idea. You can just type your text here, and if you go to the main composition, you will find your text is already changed. Also, it's same for greeting too. You can just go to the replace text here and type the text you want. Let's type here new text here. Okay, if we go to the main composition for the greeting too and we check it, you can find the text are already changed. So that's it, how to replace text.